There's a gruesome inside of the cavity. I'll be filling them holes up while I'm at it. I'm trying not to do the sun cream until all the dust bit's done. So I've seen a lot of these lately. Old sash windows. There's the old box where the weights used to go. Thank you. We're filming. Oh, happy glorious Sunday morning. I think of worse spots to work than this. Anyway, now we've taken that in. Second lintel on this job. The first one was around the corner, the little one. We've also got one high level to do, but that's getting done tomorrow. So, we weren't going to film this, but I thought, standard, when the soldiers are up in the air, there's no lintel. Starts taking it apart. Oh yeah, we've got the telltale crack of there being a lintel, but the evidence shows that this usually says there isn't a lintel. So when we start, there is a lintel. Sat on here, and then these soldiers have got a massive bed on them. And for some reason this has been pointed solid with really tough sand and cement between the window and the brickwork. There's no cavity trays in here because it's getting over 100 years old. So our plan is get our lintel in, which is only thin, standard, and then drop these down onto a tight bed instead of having a bed that big. There's no way these soldiers are going to sit on the lintel on a bed that big. So we're going to drop it down and we're going to cut a split with some reclaimed bricks out the garden. So we're just going to have a split across the top. Normally that would be a tile creasing course, which looks lovely and everything and all that palaver, and brings everything into gauge, but none of the houses have anything like that, so it just look odd. So we're going for the split just to bring it back into courses. So you just have a split across the top there. Not ideal, but it's very rare that everything works out ideal for you unless you build them from scratch. So yeah, this is going to drop probably about 30 mil, and then we can get it all put back together again. Got to take it apart first. Oh yeah, let's get it demolished. Just a break, the sun's just going round, so I can ease off of me. I'm trying not to do the sun cream until all the dust bit's done, so I should have just dodged the bullet there. It's just going to start cooling down again in a second. And no sun cream needed for a bit. Otherwise you end up like sandpaper when it all sticks. All the dust sticks to your sun cream. Nothing worse. There we go. There's a gruesome inside of the cavity. I'll be filling them holes up while I'm at it. Bit of housekeeping while the cavity's open. Yeah, size of them joists. Ooh. There's our damage. This is where the worst is. You see, it's been packed with slates in the past and how much it's moved up. And as we took the last two out, you could feel it, the pressure being just lifted, not lifted, the pressure just easing off the wall because it's like under stress because it's been pushed up. So as we took this last couple out, it's just settled back down. We've got it propped, but I've given it a bang. It feels nice and solid. Plenty of tie wires in good condition, which is always good. Unfortunately, that's not in good condition, as you can see. So it starts off about 10mm and it ends up like 20mm in places. It's busted bottom and the back. Okay, so yeah, couldn't have stayed in. Right, let's whip this out, get it all cleaned up and start putting things back together. I think we might have to take the top of the frame off to get our lintel in. I don't want to bed up over that. Otherwise we won't get our soldiers over the top of the lintel properly and it probably won't be level. We'll see what the frame's like first. So yeah. Okay. Right, I've seen a lot of these lately. Old sash windows. There's the old box where the weights used to go. And you see they've already cut this window to get it in. Cut the whatever that's called, the groove that fits the knock on in. Just took it across the back. So we just need to get it down across the front so we're low enough here. I'll put a mark on that. Laser level would have been handy, but we can get that with the mini grinder. Yeah, the same. There you go. This is the box section, the box area where the weights used to be. Same this side. Converted from a sash window to a cheap plastic window. Excellent. Another little find. That shows how old it is as well, by sash windows. Right, let's get all this hoovered out, cleaned out, and then start looking at getting this cut down. Now just chop down with the sawzall and then just show putting on. Just to set the cut end. See that, yeah? Must be the heat. Get on that top there. What's that? Let's get it in.